Okay, good morning everyone. Today we will teach you how to make a sandwich, okay? So first you have to get the bread.
I got the bread.
Okay? And get your spoon and take a spoonful of this mayonnaise. And spread it over one slice of sandwich. You also, Gabby. Okay.
I haven't played.
Very good. Now, next step is you have to take a piece of this and put on your bread. One for you, Gabby, and one for you also, Jello. Very good. Next is you have to put a piece of this ham.
I love him.
Okay, very good. Now, let's add some tomatoes. Like 2 pieces of it.
Gabby, why did you say yuck? Ah!
One more, Jello.
What?
And Gabby.
That's not possible.
Okay. And last, from our ingredients, is a piece of, or slice of cheese.
Yeah. I can't hold it.
Alright,
Oh,
for
you
you, Gabby.
We're making a vid.
Okay, next. And the last part is you have to add ketchup.
Oh, yeah.
No, you have to. Okay, like that.
It's gonna be sauce.
And
And
Gabby.
their portal.
Alright. I think we're
My
done.
masterpiece.
The last part is you have to put the last piece of the bread, but before we try it. Okay, let's try. Let's try.